it's our final stab at looking for petroglyphs. It's very pretty. It's morning. Got an early start. We're heading down this trail. The petroglyphs, I think, are kind of a secret. They don't like people knowing because I think they're worried about vandalism, which I can totally understand. Some of the places we've gone, there's been really, it's sad how much vandalism, graffiti and stuff, people carving their names into the rock, and so I think they're worried about that. That certainly is understandable. Let's see. We don't know where we're going, but we had some directions. We'll see.
What do they say happens after the tunnel?
Very quickly on your left, you're going to see them, but really keep your eyes peeled because otherwise you'll just pass right by. She said after it's like less than a quarter mile. Okay. So far we have not seen anything. But I'm hoping up here maybe. Boy, look at this rock. Isn't that incredible? It's just beautiful. Okay, I think maybe I should go up here and look. Not sure where though. Let's see if I can see anything. I'll keep going a little bit, and I can always come back if I need to. Yeah, there's a trail up there. So I'm gonna go. Okay, so here's something.
Boy, this is just beautiful here.
Okay, so this is like the best kept secret. And I think the reason is because people are damaging them.
Maybe. It's right here where the wooden fence is.
Okay.
Guardrail.
Got it. Yeah. It's too bad that people come to places like this and have to destroy the things that have been left. Oh, look at this. And then these are quite faded, but you can still see them. And up here. So
cool.
There we are. Yeah. Very cool.
I like these 3 figures in a row, or 4
Yeah.
figures in a row here. I don't know what they are.
Yep. Yeah, so
Interesting that they picked this, like, okay, this is the place that we want to draw.
I'm guessing there was more probably, and it's been destroyed with time, you know, and other humans. Look at the rocks up there with the little holes in the... Isn't that incredible? I mean, this is just a gorgeous piece of rock.
Nice rock.
It's a nice rock. Look at that. Quite something. But yeah.
Well, it's quiet here, huh?
It's really quiet. Look at how...
bright the orangish thing is on the cliff across from us.
I know.
That's not even lit by the sun.
I know. It's just beautiful. Look at this rock, the rock formations. Layers and layers and layers and swirls and just incredible. Boy, such beauty.
Sun's just about ready to peek over that ledge.
Yeah. Love this tree here. The way the trunk is twisted around. It's just fantastic.
That rock is so red.
That was such a lovely way to end this is our last day. We're heading towards Vegas today, and that was our wonderful way to end our little Zion Bryce Escalante adventure. Look at this. No, I'm just looking at this. Look at this. Just this beautiful grouping here of these gorgeous flowers. Richard, they're just amazing how big they are, and they're so vibrant pink. Aren't they beautiful?
Forest.
Yeah, just a proliferation of cacti, and
Those are all prickly pears.
they are, aren't they? Prickly pears? Yeah, I think so.
Wait, those are pretty blossoms.
Aren't they beautiful?
They look like rhodochrosite.
They do. They're the exact color of a rhodochrosite. I'm just thrilled that we got to see the petroglyphs. It wasn't the same as the ones we were looking for, where there are 160 hands carved into the rock. I would have loved to have seen that, but I didn't call my sister and her boyfriend. I should have. They know how to get there. But I can just hear Kelly telling me, "Why didn't you call us? We could have told you." Anyway, we didn't. But we did get to see these, and that's second best. So I'm going to go up here. If you want. Okay, so it's what, like 98 degrees here in Vegas, and that's the Strip, and that's as close as I'm getting to the Strip. I'm not going out there. I may go down. There is a pool, and I may go and sit in the pool. Richard, meanwhile, is icing his ankles, which have now gotten angry red and swollen. He'll be seeing a doctor when we get back. Thanks to all of you who were showing concern. I'm sure he'll be fine, but it has been a little bit nerve-wracking. There you can see. And I am headed for the pool. Richard is icing his ankles, which are now swollen. We're seeing a doctor when he gets home. And that's it. We're flying out tomorrow. So it's a departure from where we were. Now in Las Vegas, lounging by a pool. Ridiculous. And poor Richard is upstairs with his feet elevated, alternately icing. Although, he's just the worst patient. I just have to say that. I mean, it's like, Richard, you need to elevate your feet because his ankles are now swollen and red. And I don't know whether he's having some sort of weird allergic reaction or what, but if you go on the internet, it all starts to sound really scary. In any case, he won't do anything that I ask. Okay, whatever. I'm going to the pool. So here I am. This is our last day, and he wanted to go walking in another canyon, but when we returned the car, which I was going to document just because, that poor car, I actually felt a little affection for that car at the end. But I couldn't because it was so crazy, and there was a line, and people were, whatever, running around. So I didn't document it, but he could barely walk. So I thought, well, good thing we didn't go into those canyons. So here we are, resting. And of course, our hotel room is like a mile from the elevator. So there's that. I told him I was going to get him a wheelchair when we get to the airport, and I'm not kidding. Here's to more fun and adventures. It's all good.